Two. Whoa! Get a smell, but go film that, film that. Get out the way, film it. Get it, film it. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Holy. If I don't move on time, he kills me.
Leave him alone. Wow.
That was crazy. Jeez.
As you can see, folks, this can get dangerous. Just think when I told you one landed on a man in the back seat of a boat.
Holy.
You had to go to the hospital.
When I see that strike, I just say, what is going on here, you know, and I just put it on the strike. And I see that line get some kind of slack, and I said, what is going on again?
Dude, I saw him coming right at me.
And I see that fish, the only thing I just do,
You went that way and I went that way.
I tell you, you know,
I saw his mouth coming right at me.
Good thing you have good reaction time.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Good thing you weren't
He
sleeping.
went right over here. See,
Yeah.
you can have see the proof here.
Wow.
I just went here. I just hit it with my arm to make it change direction.
I don't know, Bo. I'm starting to think I might be a tarpon repellent.
Maybe.
We had a tarpon, 275-pound tarpon, like you saw, that wanted to show that even when the fish are jumping in the boat, I can't catch a tarpon. I'm up here fighting what I thought was a tarpon, turned out to be a Jack Crevalle. I look back there, I see a tarpon heading straight for the boat like a torpedo. Thought it was going to hit the boat, but it jumps over the side, brushes the guide. Bo, with his lightning fast reflexes, jumps out the way, and the tarpon just starts trashing the boat. Man, that was exciting.
It was crazy.